Rice, an essential cereal that nourishes millions of people across the globe. It provides the energy and nourishment to fuel our daily lives, making it a vital component of the global food chain. With an annual production of 135 million tons, India is the world's second largest rice producer. It's also the world's largest exporter of rice, contributing to one-third of all rice exports globally. All this is made possible with the hard work of our farmers, who toil day and night in the fields to cultivate the finest quality paddy. But growing good quality paddy is not enough. There are a lot of steps involved in transforming the raw paddy grown in the fields into a bowl of freshly cooked rice. And this is why the role of modern rice milling after harvest is crucial. The story of how paddy is turned into rice is reasonably unknown. Behind every grain is a story of precision, quality, and dedication. At Suri Engineers, we ensure that the story begins and ends with excellence. Started in 1974 in Hyderabad, India, Suri Engineers has been at the forefront of rice milling innovation, transforming how rice is processed in India and the world. We specialize in manufacturing a complete range of rice milling equipment, starting from pre-cleaners to whiteners, right up to length grading machines and color sorters. Starting from 3 tons per hour, we make equipment right up to 16 tons per hour capacity. Our machines are designed to produce superior quality rice that meets not just domestic but global standards, ensuring consistency and excellence in every grain. We have added over 20,000 happy customers across the world in the last 50 years.
As we look back at our journey, it fills us with pride to see how far we've come. We started with a simple goal, transforming the way rice milling was done in India. Today, our commitment to innovation and quality has made us one of the global leaders in the rice milling industry. Our technology and machinery are trusted by rice millers all over the world. Our vision is to continue making world-class rice mill equipment at prices that are accessible to everyone.
At Suri Engineers, after-sales service is one of our top priorities. Our commitment to fast turnaround time is backed by 100 service engineers located worldwide, allowing us to resolve 90% of the customer complaints received within 24 hours. This speed, combined with our extensive reach, makes us a trusted partner in the rice milling industry. For us, it's not just about delivering machines. It's about providing reliability, speed, and a hassle-free experience for every customer.
Our unwavering commitment to cutting-edge technology, Suri Engineers designs and manufactures world-class rice milling equipment, integrating precision engineering with innovative automation to ensure unmatched performance. With a team of 10 engineers, our R&D team continuously develops new products, pushing the boundaries of innovation in rice milling. We understand that every miller's need is unique, and we provide tailored solutions that optimize efficiency and quality, ensuring your rice stands out in the global market.
మేము గత 35 సంవత్సరాల నుండి కూడా సూరి మెషినరీ వాడుతున్నాము. రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ సింగిల్ మిషనరీ నుంచి ఫుల్ మిల్ వరకు కంప్లీట్ సెటప్ ఉంది మా దగ్గర. ద సూరి పీపుల్ వాట్ వీ క్యాన్ సే ఇన్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఇస్ దే ఆర్ ఎక్సలెంట్. ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ what they give at the time of booking, the same importance of the customer will be carried throughout the process and throughout the delivery, throughout and installation and till the machinery runs.
We have a strong presence in 17 major states across India and 10 countries across the world. We ensure seamless support for all our customers.
Our export markets are growing rapidly. Our company, Suri Engineers, machines are playing crucial role. The global demand for the high quality rice milling equipments is increasing only day by day. We offer top tier products to worldwide markets.
Our rice milling and color sortex equipment is widely trusted across India. Our machines offer the perfect balance of performance and price. With a return on investment of less than 2 years, our machines are the ideal choice for anyone looking to set up a new rice mill.
For over 5 decades, Suri Engineers has been an integral part of the rice milling revolution. We have empowered millers with advanced machinery, transforming rice processing, driving business growth, and ensuring every grain meets the highest standards. Rice millers' success is our priority. With precision engineered machines and dedicated after sales service, we help rice mills operate efficiently and profitably. With our support, the rice millers achieve higher efficiency, superior quality, and better profits. Choose excellence. Choose Suri Engineers. Your rice milling journey starts here.